Hello friends, this is Sahiti here. Today we are going to discuss about some important GK questions. Which decade is celebrated as Decade of Action for Road Safety? Answer is 2011 to 2020. The sum of total of incomes received for the service of labor, land or capital in a country. Answer is national income. If a material placed in a magnetic field is thrown out of it, then how is the material? Answer is diamagnetic. Who became the first Indian to take 16 wickets in a single test match? Answer is Narendra Hirwani. Stock exchanges play role in an economy which may be termed as answer is useful but needs strict regulation. Which is the highest lake above the sea level in the world? Answer is Lake Titicaca. A person who lives exclusively on milk, egg and bread is likely to become a victim of which disease? Answer is scurvy. Which is at the apex of the three-tier system of Panchayat Raj? Answer is Jilla Parishad. In organic compound, halogens are estimated by which method? Answer is Carius method. Which is the example of crater lake? Answer is Oregon. The missile of which Ranjit Singh was the leader? Answer is Sukhar Chakia. Where is the headquarters of International Olympic Committee? Answer is at Lausanne. Who is the author of the book My Country, My Life? Answer is L.K. Advani. Which is known as graveyard of RBCs? Answer is spleen. Exceptionally high rainfall is recorded in regions owing to which effect? Answer is orographic effect. Which land tenure systems was introduced by Lord Cornwallis? Answer is Jamindari. Which can impose reasonable restrictions on the fundamental rights of the Indian citizens? Answer is Parliament. The Maratha power reached the zenith of its glory during which reign? Answer is Shivaji. Sinvat is associated with which rate? Answer is rate of indirect tax. In which country has maximum damage to the forest been caused by acid rain? Answer is Poland. By whom was Swaraj as a national demand first made? Answer is Dadabhai Naroji. Myxedema is disorder produced due to hypersecretion of which gland? Answer is thyroid. In which country is the world's highest waterfall? Answer is Venezuela. Who destroyed the group of 40 nobles? Answer is Balban. From which of the country Constitution of India has adopted fundamental duties? Answer is erstwhile USSR. The isotopes of chlorine with mass number 35 and 37 exist in which ratio? Answer is 3:1. Which decade is celebrated as United Nations Decade on Biodiversity? Answer is 2011 to 2020. One will not have to pass through the Suez Canal while going from Bombay to which canal? Answer is Suez. Who built Charminar? Answer is Quli Qutub Shah. International Day for the Abolition of Slavery is observed on which date? Answer is December 2nd. Protein deficiency in children usually between the age of 1 to 3 years cause? Answer is kwashiorkor. Who was the member of the Rajya Sabha when first appointed as the Prime Minister of India? Answer is Indira Gandhi. Which country has the highest average of road length on per 1000 square kilometer area basis? Answer is Japan. On the ruins of which Hindu kingdom was the kingdom of Golconda founded? Answer is Kakatiyas. When the radius of the TG coil is decreased, what does happen in its sensitiveness? Answer is increases. Unemployment occurs when workers move from one job to another job. Answer is frictional unemployment. The United Nations declared 2014 as which international year? Answer is crystallography. Which continent has the lowest birth and death rates? Answer is Europe. Where is Buland Darwaja situated? Answer is Fatehpuri Sikri. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please do subscribe.